At CZUR, we just love scanning. We've run 3 successful crowdfunding campaigns, raising almost $6 million, and have over 200,000 happy CZUR customers across the globe. Now, let's upgrade your scanning experience again. Introducing the CZUR AuraMate Pro. Not only does it have all the features of a scanner that you'd ever want, it can also connect to your smartphones and tablets for wireless scanning. And its dual cameras make it the best device for business meetings, working from home, and online teaching. With 14 megapixels and Sony sensors, the CZUR AuraMate Pro offers you premium scanning quality and blazing scanning speed. Featuring CZUR's patented Curve-Flatten technology, so you can scan any book and get absolutely flat scans. You can connect wirelessly with your smartphones and tablets, so no extra cables needed. The Sony sensors create scans with more vivid colors than ever before. With its amazingly accurate OCR, it recognizes more than 180 languages, turning your scanned pages into editable files. You get the blazing fast speed of scanning 1 page per second. And you can scan books, papers, magazines, photos, and even all kinds of objects. The CZUR AuraMate Pro is the first scanner to feature a dual camera system and 1080p video chat, making it the perfect device for business meetings. It also notifies you to correct your seating posture if you've been sitting for too long. The CZUR app provides a range of functions: auto page mending, smart paging, auto alignment, and more, which makes it the best smart scanner yet. We've made it in 3 different colors to suit your style and your space. And you can use it as a lamp for your desk. We listened to your advice and worked hard to bring you the best upgrade to the CZUR scanner yet. Back us and be the first to enjoy the CZUR AuraMate Pro.